Just working out where's better to put the sound. Oh, going to work in a minute. Just turn my badge round. I'm going to work in a minute, but I wanted to introduce you to the S.H.I.T.E YouTubers collaboration. What it is, just a few other YouTubers, we're getting together once a month. We'll make a video about a certain topic, and then hopefully them channels can grow, and it gives you something to do, because sometimes you get a mental block for making a YouTube video. What can I make a video about? So just once a month, I'm going to obviously make other videos, but just once a month at this point, I'm going to collaborate with a few other channels. I'll show you the channels as we go along. They should be appearing somewhere. Anyway, but in the description I'll put a link to each of the channels, and then we'll release a video about the same time once a month, and you can either watch their videos or not. It's up to you, but it's just a bit of fun. And it might be like, where's your favourite place to stay, what's your favourite food. It just gets you to introduce you to other people, and there's all the other workers coming to work, but we've plenty of time, got half an hour yet. So I'm having a coffee. I've brought my flask, my tyre, so we're MOT'd, that's why I'm in the van. We've got an MOT. So I bought Pirelli camper tyres is what I bought. I don't even see that. That's what I bought, Pirelli camper tyres, right? And obviously it's a camper van, you need camper tyres, which is a thicker wall so it stops flat spots. I got that delivered in one day from Amazon, £156. I went to a local garage, just, would you put a tyre on for me? He said, yep. He said, have you got the tyre? I went, yeah. He said, 15 quid. So for £15 and that, job done. So great, now I've got a 12-month MOT again. So I don't need this now, I just wanted to show you. Right, so we're MOT for 12 months. All it is, it's a collaboration of YouTube videos is the point I'm making this video. It's just to introduce you to other channels, and hopefully we'll have a bit of fun. My mate Campervan Gaz, got his badge there. Gaz started it, so I thought, yeah, why not? I've met Gaz on Morecambe Prom before in one of my videos, and yeah, so great. I thought, yeah, I'm up for that. So anyway, it's the S.H.I.T.E YouTubers. I can't say it because YouTube will give me a strike, no doubt. You get a strike for breathing these days. So in the description will be a list. There's about 4 or 5 other channels, and have a look at your leisure, and if you like them, subscribe, and leave them comments, because it makes a difference when you leave a comment. I love to get comments, and I might do a video on comments, because I get some good comments. And it does make your day, because you've made the video, you've made all the effort, you've edited it, you've put it out, and then these people have taken the time out of their life to watch it. And not only that, they've then gone on to comment on your video. So it does make a difference. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. So between now and then, obviously there'll be some content coming out, but once a month we'll be doing this collaboration, and we'll just have fun. That's what it's all about. It's about having fun, and that's what we're doing. So anyway, I'm Smithy. This is a 12-month MOT Kentucky for about the last hour. Oh, what a panic in it. It's like the dream, somebody said it in the comments, that the dream failure, a tyre. Not a leaf spring or something major. Anyway, a tyre. So anyway, we've had it done, we're sorted now. So anyway, I'm Smithy. This is a Kentucky. Stay safe, be lucky. And me and a few others will all see you soon.